Welcome back to the 3 miles MC. So we're back on the road, and today we will continue our way through the mountains to the Campo Imperatore. Oh, I was so lucky with my last place to stay. It was kind of a hostel. In German we call it Jugendherberge, and it was so good. It was so cheap. It was like 32 bucks. And the quality I've gotten for that was insane. Like, the room was really good, really gorgeous. The bed was really nice, and there was breakfast in the room with items that you could choose. It was so good. I really enjoyed my stay. Sadly, we're having a bit of an issue. First of all, the bike does weird ticking sounds. And on top of that, I yesterday, while lubing the chain, realized that the chain has gotten way looser since I lubed the chain the last time, and we definitely need to readjust it, and I am missing the tools. Problem is, the next garage is quite far away, so we will basically have the day of the next motorcycle garage. That will be our end goal for today. And we still have to go through the mountains with a too loose chain, and I hope I don't damage my bike. And I'm not happy about that situation. I miscalculated it. I should have adjusted the chain earlier, but always when you're on a budget, you're kind of scared of going to the mechanic because then it costs money and all that type of stuff, but you just have to do it in the end. And yeah, I fucked up. But the thing is, you need to get the torque on the screw right for taking out the wheel and putting it back in, and I don't have the tools for that, so I cannot do it myself right here. And I didn't take the tools with me because the thing you need for that is just huge, and it didn't fit into my stuff. Also, I never had problems with that on my 10,000 kilometer trip to Morocco. Oh, just look at this mountain, how gorgeous. So let's continue our way through those beautiful Italian mountains right here. Also, the navigation system at our way to the Campo Imperatore says that it will be, let me check, a 3-hour way for 60 kilometers. That just seems wrong. Probably we cannot reach there and we'll have to turn around or something, but we can try to get as close as possible. Just look at this gorgeous landscape right here. Sadly, I found out that the Plateau Imperatore is blocked today, so we cannot go there. But I think the view here is amazing. Oh, we can even see some wild horses. Oh, look at this one. Hello. How are you doing? So gorgeous. Okay, then let's continue. And you can see up there the Gran Sasso, which is the big mountain here. So what's the plan now? After this route, we will make our way to the motorcycle garage to get my chain fixed. Then I need to make new plans if we continue farther south into more southern Italy, or if we go the other way and look at the coast and look at the big cities and so on. That's kind of what I need to decide. I need to see what's more beautiful and what also fits into my time schedule. Because in total I have between 14 to 16 days planned for this trip, and then I need to get back to work. In general, I have to say, Italy is so beautiful and has so many things to offer when you're into motorcycle riding. I think this country is really perfect for having a good experience. So if you're inspired by these videos to take a motorcycle trip yourself, Italy is definitely a great option. A lot of beautiful landscape, a lot of good food. Also, the food is not expensive. When I'm eating out, I don't pay much. The hostels are really cheap, and it's just a great time.
After making this recording, I sadly realized it was Friday and all the garages still were open only for 1 hour, so I really got going because being forced to wait till Monday would have thrown off my filming schedule by so far that it would have made it difficult to complete the Italy trip.
Car, no moto.
It's just a chain. La catena. Because I just need the chain adjusted. It's like a 5-minute job. I'm missing the tools basically.
No moto. Moto mania.
Automania? Ah, okay. Is it still open? Because I'm trying to get it done before Sunday.
Penso
One?
Ready.
Oh. So let's go to the other place real quick so I can still get my chain adjusted before Sunday. Otherwise, we will not get it for some time. The motorcycle garage is this way, right? Okay. Okay. I just follow you. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Do you speak some English?
Poco.
I need my chain adjusted. It's a catena di tensione.
The problem is 1 o'clock close.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to find a place quick because otherwise I'm stuck till Monday.
Okay. Su Maps.
Yeah.
Moto Sprint. But 1 o'clock close.
It's the same situation. It's also
Okay.
I messed up finding a place to adjust the chain in time because when I today realized in the morning that I need to adjust my chain, I didn't thought about which day it is today. And then I realized that today is the weekend, and I realized that at 11:30 and that most places here close at 1. So I hurried and made my way to all the places that could adjust my chain, and it was just too late for all of them. And they sent me away, and now I'm stuck with a too loose chain till Monday. And now I'm in front of the decision: either I continue driving with the too loose chain so I can manage to film all the videos for this trip in time, because I now need to make the decision: do I look after my bike, or do I finish this video series properly? Because I kind of had the secret plan to make it all the way to Sicily, because I didn't set that till now because I wasn't sure if I could do it, and this could kind of be the moment that decides that I cannot do it from a time perspective, because I will be losing 2 days of my trip, or continue with the loose chain. And in general, every night I'm trying to fix the monetization issue with YouTube, that YouTube finally monetizes my channel, and it's still stuck at step 2 in progress from Google AdSense. And I tried support on Twitter, I tried all those things. I will try to get into a better mood by finding myself some food now and getting my head straight, because I'm currently feeling like shit after not managing this now. Also because I am always pre-producing everything so that it fits with my 9 to 5 and everything. I don't know yet how the videos will turn out, and that makes me a bit self-conscious, and because now I actually have people watching the videos, you know?
A shame, think something new under the sun. You can't take back them things you already done.
So I now readjusted myself a little bit, and I'm now in a better mood after having some food. and I will now continue my way to Neapel or to a place before that where there's a Yamaha shop, so that I can get my chain adjusted on Monday. In general, at the moment, I'm a bit overwhelmed that people are now actually also watching my channel. That is kind of a wild thought, because before that I was always making videos and no one was really watching them except a few people. So that is wild. And while I was on break and having some food, I looked into my comment section and found that a motorcycle channel from Germany from quite recognizable size, Adventurist, commented under one of my videos, and I was really glad to see that. And apparently I'm now kind of also a YouTuber, which is wild. Kind of still need to get used to that fact, because for me I'm just some dude who does some videos, you know? So I found out that there is a Yamaha place in Rome, still open till 7, so I will now try out that to get my chain adjusted.
Yeah, you try so hard to cover up your games. You try so hard, hoping that one day something gon' change. You try so yeah.
Luckily at Yamaha they fixed my chain issue and gave me new brake pads, and also they didn't charge me, which was really kind. And actually, credit to Yamaha, this is not the first time that they didn't charge me when I went in for some small thing doing a trip, and that is actually really cool of them. So I now made my way to my hotel, but the problem is it's one of those automated ones. I'm supposed to have room 7 and only goes up to room 6, as you can see, room 6. And I can't reach anyone from the reception, and this feels so dumb. I am stuck without a room and don't know what to do. I have booked a hostel and I've booked room 7 and there are only 6 rooms. Yeah. So now after 50 minutes looking in this building for my room, I finally found it. The thing is, it was on a different floor than in the description, and the key was hidden on the different side than the description, and it took a long time to figure that out. But I'm thankfully now in my room.